Hello students, you are class 9th and today we shall read about our economics lesson which name is Palampur village. In this lesson we shall read about the village activities mostly. A bird's eye view of village activities. The objective of this hypothetical story of an imagined village called Palampur is to make clear some basic concepts pertaining to production. In agriculture, how we use the agriculture instruments, fertilizers, pesticides, and we grow the crops. Farming is the main production activity in the village Palampur. Besides, many non-farming activities are also carried out in the village, such as small-scale manufacturing, poultry, dairy, pig farming, sugar cane crushing, oil seed crushing, trading, transport, shopkeeping, etc. Production activities require various other resources for their completion, such as land, labor, capital, and enterprise. As we go through the story of village Palampur, we will come to know how these various resources are combined to produce goods and services. Palampur has other villages also in its neighborhoods such as Haripur, Gangapur, Sitapur. These villages are big and well connected with each other. As well, whether road connects Palampur and other villages to the nearest small town of Halwani, which is a big mandi of food grains and a big trade of business center. We can see many kinds of transport on the road: bullock carts, wooden carts drawn by buffaloes carrying food grains, jaggery, vegetables, fruits, tractors and trucks loaded with sugarcane, tongas and jeeps carrying villagers. About 450 families live in the village Palampur. They belong to different classes and castes. About one third of the population belongs to lower caste, scheduled caste, and Dalits. The upper caste people own major portion of the land in the village. They live in good species house made of brick, stone, mortar, cement. The lower caste people live in a corner near the border of the village. They live in a small houses made of wood, mud, and straw. They have kacha houses. Most of houses belonging to the upper caste have electric connections. Electricity is used to run two wells in the fields and small units of different kinds of villages. Palampur has one primary school, one middle school, one high school, and one government health center. There are homeopathic and allopathic doctors in the village who practice in their private capacity. The details given above explain that the village Palampur has well developed and well connected road system. Electricity is available to almost all the houses. Villagers have transport, irrigation, schools, and education of children, and health center to look after the health problems of the village people. The facilities available and the crops grown in Palampur resemble a village of Tarai, Bhabar region of district national Nainital in Uttarakhand. The story of this hypothetical village called Palampur will take us through different kinds of production activities. Farming is the main production activity of the village. There are non-farming activities also, but we would like to learn first a few general concepts about production, organization of factors of production. The aim and objectives production to provide goods and services to the people as per their demand and requirements. Goods have to be produced before they can be consumed. All those who help in making of goods and services are known as producers. While some produce goods, some other produce services. When such activities result in valuable and useful things, it is called production of goods. It may be small safety pin or an aircraft. For example, activities and farmers producing rice, wheat, sugarcane, workers in a factory manufacturing clothes, etc., are considered as production of goods. Activity like medical treatment by a doctor, coaching by a teacher, service of a teller, transportation, postal services, courier services, telephone booths, etc., are considered as production of services. Resources are required to carry out production activities. Resources, primary inputs which are needed to produce goods and services, are conventionally called factors of production. These inputs help in the production of various commodities or goods. Generally, land, labor, physical capital, and enterprise or organization are called factors of production. Inputs like fuel, tools, farmers, services are called primary inputs, wherever inputs like seeds, manure, what are the secondary inputs? Only primary inputs are called factors of production, such as land, labor, physical capital, and entrepreneur. All the factors of production are broadly classified in the following four groups. Number one, labor. Number one, land. Number two, labor. Number three, physical capital. And number four, entrepreneur. Land, it generally refers to all natural resources which are free gift of nature, like forest, mountains, soil, etc. Though land is a free gift of nature, but its supply is less as compared to its demand. That is why it is paid factor price rent. What are the peculiarities of land? Number one, land is mature, nature's gift to man. Number two, land is fixed in quality. It is said that land has no supply price. The price may be high or low, supply of land remains the same. Number three, land is permanent. Number four, land locks mobility. It is the video of you. Tomorrow we will send the next video, the rest lesson of this lesson, village Palampur. So you should watch the video compulsorily. Thank you very much.